enthalpy of combustion of solid carbon is negative 393.5 kilojoules per mole. The standard enthalpy of formation values of gaseous carbon monoxide and gaseous water are negative 110.5 kilojoules per mole and negative 241.8 kilojoules per mole respectively. The standard enthalpy change of the below reaction is. These are the equations corresponding to the given enthalpy changes. The first equation is the standard enthalpy of combustion of solid carbon. The second equation is the standard enthalpy of formation of gaseous carbon monoxide. The third equation is the standard enthalpy of formation of gaseous water. We have to calculate the standard enthalpy change of this given equation. We will construct a thermochemical cycle to get the answer for this question. First, we will use these formation enthalpies. Therefore, we need elements in their standard states. The number of atoms present in these three levels should be balanced. Therefore, we need 1 carbon, 2 oxygen atoms and 2 hydrogen atoms. First, we will choose the formation of carbon monoxide gas. 1 mole of solid carbon atoms and 1 mole of gaseous oxygen atoms together form 1 mole of gaseous carbon monoxide. This oxygen molecule contains 2 oxygen atoms. Therefore, 1 mole of O2 gas contains 2 moles of oxygen atoms. Then 1 mole of these carbon atoms and 1 mole of these oxygen atoms together form 1 mole of carbon monoxide gas. Now we will move to the formation of gaseous water. 1 mole of gaseous H2 and 1 mole of gaseous oxygen atoms are required to produce 1 mole of gaseous water. Therefore, the remaining 1 mole of these oxygen atoms and this 1 mole of H2 gas together forms 1 mole of gaseous water. Now we will move to the combustion of solid carbon. 1 mole of solid carbon atoms in the presence of excess oxygen produce carbon dioxide gas. 1 mole of solid carbon atoms with O2 gas produce carbon dioxide gas. This is the standard enthalpy change of combustion of solid carbon atoms. The standard enthalpy change of an element in its natural state is 0. Therefore, the presence of hydrogen gas does not affect the enthalpy change of combustion of solid carbon. Now we have constructed the thermochemical cycle. The next step is to find the initial state and the final state of this thermochemical cycle. All the arrows are starting from this level. Therefore, this is the initial state. All these arrowheads are towards this level. Therefore, this is the final state. According to the Hess's law, enthalpy change associates in these two routes are the same. According to the Hess's law, standard enthalpy change of this reaction, that is delta H naught, plus standard enthalpy change of combustion of solid carbon equals to the standard enthalpy change of formation of carbon monoxide plus standard enthalpy change of formation of gaseous water. Now we will substitute values. The standard enthalpy change of this reaction is positive 41.2 kilojoules per mole. Answer is number 3.